Here's a look at the market and the E-mini S&P for Thursday, March 18th, 2010. And of course, at E-mini Day Trader here, we like to use our market profiles to gain a better understanding of the condition of the market. The profiles we're looking at here are the overnight session and the regular trading hours. We split them off that way. The one I've just circled here is what occurred today. So as you can see, there's a lettered market profile as well as its corresponding volume profile. And then this is from yesterday. The one in between the two, of course, is what occurred overnight in the Globex session. So going into today's trade, we had the area from right down in here from 56 to 57 as an area of likely support. And as you can see, in the overnight session here, it dipped down right to the top of it, and in the regular trading hours, it dipped into it. But in both cases, had fairly good rallies off it. As you can see from the overnight session here, it rallied up and then opened here in the regular trading hours, and then popped up here early in the trading day before it came down and made this low at 56 and change, and then rallied up, and the market had a pretty strong close, ending at right up here almost at 62. So a pretty nice bounce, well, 6 points or so off of that low that was made. So all in all, the market did find support where we anticipated it would find support, and of course we were also anticipating that the market would continue in this upward auction, and obviously it has. So we continue to think that the market is still in a primary up auction on the intraday basis, and until that price of around 56, today's low, until the market can hold below that, we still believe that the market will head higher. There was some news out this morning, and then tomorrow the trading day could become active because it's quadruple witching. No big news, but oftentimes the market will become volatile when those options do expire. So we also like to take a look at just the regular trading hours market profiles, and that's what you see right here. So in other words, what we're looking at here is today's lettered market profile and volume profile, and of course from yesterday. So we also like to use our software, of course, to actually identify any trades. And the first trade that we had today, you can see here that the market did come down into our known support area, which was down in here, and we had a really nice deceleration bar right here, which was able to get us long for a nice up move in there. Now you can see here that our filter was actually neutral at the time. However, we did have two of our three legs in place, and so it turned out to be a very nice trade. A little bit after that, we had another trade to get on the long side right in here if a trader was not already long, and this trade reached our second objective but no fill on that, so only profits on 1/2 of the position for that trade. And we had another nice deceleration, as you can see later in the day right here, which gave another nice move higher, and this one did reach our first two objectives before being stopped out for just a point gain on the final partial. So we actually ended the day with this first, or three trades, 1, 2, and 3. Now this first trade here, not all of our traders would have taken it because of the neutral filter. However, what we always try and do is have at least 2 out of the 3 legs in place. What we try to examine the market, intraday bias and intraday, which we had here today, and at a known support for a long trade. So we had all the pieces in place to go ahead and make that trade even though we were in the neutral environment. So all in all, a good day of trading and a profitable day, although not a largely profitable day. After all, it was a very tight range today. The market only had a 4-point range. So we're looking for the market to possibly break higher If it can get above that 64 area, I think it's probably good to go and have another leg up. Otherwise, if it's below 56, we're looking for a leg down. So that'll be it. Thanks for taking the time to view the video tonight. Any questions or comments, please get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com. We always look forward to receiving your questions and comments. So thanks again. We'll see you tomorrow.